Hi students, let's see exercise 14.3. But before that, make sure that we should know two equations. One is median equals, what is that? Median equals L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. What is that? Median equals L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. This is the first equation. Second one, 3 median equals mod plus 2 mean. What is that? 3 median equals mod plus 2 mean. Okay, so this equation you have to by heart it before starting the exercise 14.3. To get the other videos, what we'll do? We'll subscribe this channel. Okay, so let us start the questions. See, exercise 14.3, the first question. I'll read the question once. The following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality. Find the median, mean and mode of the data and compare them. Of course, the monthly consumption in unit is given 65 to 85. It goes on. After that, number of consumers is given. So first we need to find out median, after that mean and mode. Ready? So you have to write the question and keep in your copy. Ready? I'm going to write only the and. Ready? So first, monthly consumption in unit is given. That will be class. Ready? That is 65 to 60. That is 65 to 85, 85 to 105, 105 to 125. It goes on. Ready? From here, we will find out the class interval. That means H. See, what is the class interval? 65 to 85, 85 to 105. What is the class interval? 65 to 105. What is the difference? If you have doubt, just subtract 105 minus 85. 0, 10 minus 8, 2. That means our class interval H is 20. After that, we have to find out this total. Ready? We will find out this total. Of course, number of consumers is given. This total we have to take. Ready? That will be N. N equals total. Ready? So please add it this one. Do it fast. How much you are getting? Yes. 68. Don't copy. You have to do it alone. Ready? Now we will go for cumulative frequency. Ready? In cumulative frequency, how to do cumulative frequency? Yes, we will add this. First we will write this 4. After that, I will write the 4 here. Then this 5 will carry to here. That means 4 plus 5 equals 9. Ready? After that, this 9 will write first. Then this 13 will bring here. That means 9 plus 13. How much you will get? 22. After that, 22 will write here. Plus this 20 will write. Ready? Equals 42. Again, what you will do? This 42 will write here. 42 plus 14. That means what you will get? 56. Now, this 56 plus this 8. That means what you will get? 64. Ready? After that, this 64 plus, yes, 4 equals 68. Now see, this cumulative frequency, the last term, that is 68, and the total n, both are same. And if you are not getting same, our step is wrong. Ready? So here, to find out median, you want only one extra column, that is called cumulative frequency. Ready? To find out median, we need only one extra column, that is cumulative frequency CF. I hope you can understand how to add it. Ready? Now what you will do? Yes, we will write N equals, what is N? 68. We got it here, isn't it? Now we will take N by 2. N by 2 equals 68 by 2 equals, we will cancel by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. Isn't it? So we got it 34. Got it? 34. Now we have to see the cumulative frequency. From which cumulative frequency number we can take that 34. Check it here, 4. We'll start from the small number, that means 4. We can't take 34, isn't it? Because it's so small. Now from 9 we can't take 34, that is big number. Now from 22, can you take 34? No, isn't it? Next one, 42, we can take 34, isn't it? Because from 42, sure, we can take 34 because it is bigger number. Now this line, see, this line, what will happen? This is the median class. Ready? This 125 to 145 is the median class, and straight that line where it falls, this will be our F, corresponding frequency, and this preceding CF will be the CF. See, this upside one, that is a preceding one, this will be CF, straight line, this will be frequency, and this from the class, the lower limit will be taken as L. See, first we'll check n by 2, we got it 34, isn't it? So that 34 we will see from which CF we can take 34 perfectly. That means while looking 42, you can take 34 nicely from here. That means this line. Ready? So this will be the what? Median class. So corresponding this will be the F, and its preceding, its upside will be the CF, and the lower limit from this class, the lower limit will be L, and before we got H. Ready? Now what we'll do means, we'll see n by 2, that is 34, which lies in the class interval, in the class 125 to 145. Therefore the median class is median class is 125 to 145. After this, we will write the value of H. What is the value of H? 20. What is the value of F? 20. And CF? CF equals 22. And what is the value of L? Lower limit 125. Now we will write, we know that median equals L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. This is the formula we should by heart. What is that? L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H equals, what is the value of L? 125. So 125, n by 2 we already got. What is that? 34 minus CF 22 divided by, what is the value of F? 20 into, what is the value of H? 20, isn't it? Yeah. This equals, what we'll do now, see, 20 numerator and denominator we can cancel direct. Now 125 plus 34 minus 22, how much? 12. Now what you'll do? We'll add it, isn't it? That means what you'll get? 137. So our median is 137. Let's see now mean, because we done already median. Now we will do mean. Ready? Make sure that we are going to do always maximum time, try to use step deviation. That will be the easiest method. Ready? So what you'll do now? First, monthly consumption in units is already given in the question. That will be class. So I am writing one more time, that already we kept 65 to 85, 85 to 105, it continues. Ready? After that, number of consumers is given in the question. That will be the frequency. Ready? So from the monthly consumption, we will find out the value of H. See, 85 to 105. 105 to 125. See, what is the difference here? We got it. H equals 20. So, H equals 20. Ready? After that, this frequency, we will add it. That means sigma Fi equals, how much we got? Yes, 68. Ready? Now what you will do? Class mark. Because we are doing mean, so to find out mean, we need class mark. First one, what you will do? 85 plus 65 divided by 2. That means upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So 85 plus 65, isn't it? So 150 divided by 2 equals, we'll cancel by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14, then balance 1. 1 means 10, 10 means 2 fives are 10. So we got it 75. So the first class mark is 75. Ready? Second, what you'll do? 105 plus 85 divided by 2. What you'll do? 105 plus 85. What you'll get? 190 by 2. Ready? We'll cancel by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 nines are 18. Balance 1. 1 means 10. 10 means, see, 18 already we took. Balance is 1. 1 means 10. 10 means 2 fives are 10. That means we got it 95. So the next one, 95. Third, what you'll do? 125 plus 105. 105 divided by 2 equals 200. Yeah. 30 by 2 equals. We'll cancel by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. Balance is 1. 1 means 10. That means 2 fives are. That means 115. So the third one is 115. We know that the difference is 20. That means 75 plus 20, we got it 95. 95 plus 20, we got it 115. So the next time what you will do? Yeah, 115 plus 20. That means 135. Again plus 20, 155. See, first we will write 135. After that, 155. Next will be 175. 195. Just add it and write. Ready? After that, now what you'll do? Yeah, from here we will find out the assumed mean, the middle term. So we are taking 135 as the assumed mean. That means 135 is A. Okay, now what you'll do? Yeah, we will write UI. Of course, we know the equation UI equals xi minus a by h. Ready? So here we are not going to use that method. I hope you know that. And if you don't know that, please make sure that you are watching the previous video. From there we'll understand. So UI straight A assumed mean, we will write 0. And the upside portion minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Downside will write 1, 2, 3. See what we done? Straight A will put 0. After that minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3. Ready? Next step what you will do? Fi UI. So Fi UI. These two will multiply. Ready? That means 4 into minus 3 equals minus 12. 4 3s are 12. Now again 5 into, yeah, 5 into minus 2 equals minus 10. Now again 13 into minus 1, we will get minus 13. Again 20 into 0. 20 into 0, 0. Again 14 into 1. 14 into 1, 14. Again 8 into 2. 8 2s are 16. Then again 4 into 3. 12. Isn't it? Now what you'll do? All the negative numbers we have to add it. Positive numbers we have to add. Plus 10 plus 13. That means how much you'll get? 35. So minus 35. Here 14 plus 16. 30. Plus 12. 42. All the positive numbers adding together. Negative numbers adding together. Now what you'll do? Plus and minus. Minus. That means 42 minus 35. What you will get? 7. So we'll write sigma Fi ui equals 7. Of course, the bigger number is plus, so the answer is plus. Now what you will write? We know that by step deviation method, mean x bar equals, what is the equation? A plus sigma Fi ui by sigma Fi into h. A means 135 plus sigma Fi ui, 7 divided by sigma Fi, we got it, 68 into h, 20. Okay, now we'll cancel by 2. 2 ones are 2, then 0. 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. Again by 2. 2 fives are 10. 2 ones are 2. 1 balance means 14. So 2 sevens are, isn't it? So we got it now. 135 plus 7 fives are 35 divided by 17. Let's divide 35 by 17. So 35 divided by 17. 17 twos are 34. 1 balance, putting point and 0. Can't do. So 1 0 will put here and 1 more 0 here. Now how many times? 5 times, isn't it? How much? 85. Ready? 17 fives are 85. If you have doubt, 17 into 5 you need to multiply and find out. Okay, now we'll minus it. So 10 minus 5, 9 minus 8, 1. Now we'll put 0. How many times? 9 times, isn't it? 9 times means 17 nines are 135. 17 nines are 135. Ready? Now balance, no need to write. This equals 135 plus 2.0. Say 59. 59 means last number is 9 more than 5. So if I want to remove this 9, what I will do? In place of 5, I have to write 6. Why? More than 5 means we have to add it 1 to the nearby. That means 5 will become 6. Now we'll add it. 135.00 plus 2.06. 0 plus 6, 6. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 5 or 5 plus 2, 7. And this 3 and 1. That means we got it. 137.06. This is mean. Let's see now mod. In the case of mod, we don't want to make any extra columns. We need only what is given in the question. The first one, monthly consumption in units, that is class, and of course the number of consumers will be the frequency. What you will see for the mod? We will see the highest frequency in the case of mod. So which is the highest frequency here? 20, isn't it? That means what you will do? 20 is the highest frequency. This is the maximum. So it belongs to 125 to 145. That means this is the model class. So here L will be 125. And its preceding. This will be F0. And this highest frequency will be F1. And the next will be F2. Ready? And we know that H, class interval, we already know that. What is the difference? 20. We got it. Class interval. And L we got it. Lower limit. And F0, F1, F2. Ready? So first what you will write? Here, the maximum frequency is 20 corresponding to the class 125 to 145. Ready? Therefore, the model class is Class A's 125 to 145, and what is the value of H? We got it 20, isn't it? So 20. What is the value of L? L is 125. And what is the value of F0? 13. F1 20. F2 14. Now what will write? We know that mod equals, what is the equation? L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. I think you know the equation, so we need to by head and keep. Equals, what is the value of L? 125 plus F1 20 minus F0 13 divided by 2 into, what is the value of F1? 20 minus F0 13 minus F2 14 into H is 20. Ready? This equals 125 plus 20 minus 13, 7. 7 into this 20 you can write in the numerator, divided by 2 20s are 40. Minus into minus plus, that means 13 and 14 we have to add it. So 13 plus 14, yes, 27. Of course it is minus. Equals 125 plus, 7 into 20, 140 divided by 40 minus 27, that is 13. Equals. Now what you'll do? We'll divide it. 140 divided by 13. Ready? So 1 time 13. Balance is 1. We'll bring down 0. But we can't do. We can't do means we'll put 1 0 here and 1 more 0. Ready? After that point. Now how many times? Check it now. 7 times, isn't it? See, 7 into 13. How much? 7 13s are 13 into 7 is 91. That means we'll write here 91. The balance is 9. 1 more 0 we'll put. Now how many times? 6 times. How much? 78. See, 13 into 6. 78, isn't it? That means 6 times. 78. 2, balance is 1. That means 12. 1 more 0. That means 9 times. 117, isn't it? That means 13 9s are 13 into 9 equals 117. Ready? That means 117. Ready? So this 125 plus 140 by 13. What do you got? 10.769. What you can write? See, the last number is more than 5. So in place of this one will remove by adding how much here? 1. That means in place of 6 what you will write? 7. That means 10.77 we have to write here. Ready? So what you will write? 10.77. Ready? This equals, what you will do? We will add it. So 125.00 10.77. We'll add it now. 0 plus 7 7, 0 plus 7 7, 0 plus 5 5, 2 plus 1 3 and 1. That means we got it 135.77. Now check it. Mean, median, mode. What is that? All the observations are equal, somewhat equal, approximately equal. That means what you will write? Here the 3 measures are approximately equal. Ready? That means what you will write? Here the 3 measures are approximately same. Okay, that means this answer is over. Question number 2, I'll read the question once. If the median of the distribution given below is 28.5, find the values of x and y. Of course, it is given class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, it goes on till 50 to 60, and the frequency is given 5, x, 20, 15, y, 5, and of course the total is given, isn't it? How much is that? 60. Now what do you want? We want to find out the values of x and y. Please make sure that you're writing questions and keeping in your copy. So what is given in this question? Median is already given. How much? 28.5. After that, x we have to find out, y we need to find out. One more thing is given from the table. What is that? N equals 60. This total is given. Frequency total is given. But of course, because of median, we have to go for the next column, that is called cumulative frequency. Ready? What is that? Cumulative frequency. Ready? So let's start the work. First we'll write 5. Second, what you'll do? This 5 plus this x. You don't know the value of x? Just keep. Ready? Next step, 5 plus x is already here. Plus this one. What is that? 20. So we'll get 20 plus 5, 25 plus x. Ready? Next step, 25 plus x is already here. Now, what is the balance here? Plus 15. Equals 25 plus 15, 40. So, 40 plus x. Next step, 40 plus x we have to write first. After that, this y. Plus y equals 40 plus x plus y. Ready? Next step, what you'll do? This full will write first here. That means 40 plus x plus y plus, what is here? 5. Equals 40 plus 5, 45. So we'll write 45 plus x plus y. Ready? That means we got one more n. What is that? 45 plus x plus y. Ready? So what will write first? N. N equals 60. Therefore, n by 2 equals 60 by 2 equals 30. But one more is already given. What is that? Median. Median equals 28.5. That means, see, 25 plus x. We want 28.5 median. Sure, it can be in this class. What is that? 20 to 30. Ready? Therefore, median class is 20 to 30. That means 20 to 30 means this 20 will be L and this 20 will be F and this preceding will be CF. This 5 plus x will be CF. And of course, we know the difference. 10, 20, 30, 40. What is the difference here? 10. That means here H equals 10. And the value of L, 20. Ready? And the value of F, 20. And CF is 5 plus x. What will write now? We know that median equals, what is the equation? L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H equals, sorry, implies median. What is the value of median? 28.5 equals, what is the value of L? 20. Plus n by 2 we already got, 30 minus CF is 5 plus x. Very careful, you have to put inside the bracket 5 plus x divided by the value of F, 20 into, what is the value of H? 10, isn't it? Now of course directly we can cancel 0, 0. It is inside the bracket. Ready? Now next step, I'll be bringing this 20 to the next side. That means this implies 28.5 This 20 goes next side, it will be minus 20 equals. Ready? 30 minus, opening the bracket, minus 5 minus x divided by 2. Now 28.5 minus 20, we have to minus it. So 28.5 minus 20, what you will get? 8.5. Ready? So we'll write here 8.5, and one more step. This 2 is in the next side, divide. So if it goes next side, division goes to other side, multiplying. That means into. See, we got already 28.5 minus 20 is 8.5. And this 2 is in the next side, downside, isn't it? So if I carry to the next side, what will happen? Multiplying. Equals 30 minus 5. 30 minus 5, 25. 25 minus x. We already took this 2 to this side. Now what you'll do? 8.5 into 2. So 85 into 2. 5 2s are 10. 1 in hand. 8 2s are 16 plus 1, 17. Of course, 8.5 means 1 decimal. So right to left 1 point. That means 17 equals 25 minus x. Ready? Now what will do? Yes, this x will carry to left side, 17 will carry to right. That means minus x comes to next side, plus x equals 25 is already in the right side, but this 17 plus goes to next side, minus 17. See now, x equals, this implies x equals 25 minus 17, 8. So we got the value of x as 8. Now what do you do? See, given n equals 60. Why we are doing this step? Because we want the value of y. This implies, from the table we got the total as 45 plus x plus y, that is n. But in the question given as 60, isn't it? So in place of n, what you can write? 45 plus x plus y equals 60. Implies 45 plus, what is the value of x just before we got it? Yes, 8 plus y equals 60. Ready? This implies 45 plus 8, 53 plus y equals 60. Now this 53 will carry to next side. That means y equals 60 minus 53 equals 7. Therefore x equals 8 and y equals 7. Is it okay? Let's see the next question. Question number 3. I'll read the question once. A life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of ages of 100 policy holders. Calculate the median age if policies are given only to the person having age 18 years onwards but less than 60 years. Of course, the columns are given here. Age in years. Below 20, below 25, below 30, below 35, below 40, it goes to below 60. And the number of policies is given here, holders are given here, isn't it? So from here, we have to make first the normal class and the frequency. From there, we will go for finding the median age. Here, the age is given, that is below 20, below 25, below 30. What is the difference here? Below 20, below 25, below 30, what is the difference? 5. That means below 20, 5 is the difference. So we'll start by 15 to 20, below 20. Ready? Now below 25 means what you'll do? 20 to 25. We can take the next. Below 30 means 25 to 30. Now 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60. Ready? After that, number of policy holders are given below, above and all. You see this frequency, it is increasing, isn't it? So if it is below or above or up to, more than, this type of questions, actually the frequency is not a simple frequency, that is cumulative frequency. Ready? So what you'll do, these frequencies we have to write in the cumulative frequency column. So let's write 2, after that 6, 24, 45, 78, 89, then 92, 98, and after that 100. Isn't it? After that, what you'll do? We have to find out the symbol frequency. It's very different. Be careful. Ready? So what is given in this type of questions, that is not simple frequency, that is cumulative frequency. From here we will find out the frequency. Okay, so what you'll do, first I'll write direct to. Next step, careful. What I'll do, 6 minus 2. Ready? That means write 6 minus 2 equals 4. Got it? Next one, what you'll do? Yes, 24 minus 6. 24 minus 6. 24 minus 6, yes, 18. Next step, what you'll do? 45 minus, 45 minus 24. How much you'll get? 21. Next step, 78 minus 45. How much you'll get? Find out and tell. 33. Ready? Next step, what you'll do? 89 minus 78. How much you'll get? 11. Now 92 minus 89. How much you'll get? 3. Ready? Next step, 98 minus 92. How much will be that? 6. Next step, 100 minus 98. See, equals 2. From here, what is the difference of the class or the class width? 5, isn't it? So H will be 5. After that, what you will do now? We want median. That means what you will do? First you will write n equal. That means this total will take. Sure, n should be 100. If you added this one, you have to get 100. Ready? That means n equals 100. Therefore, n by 2 equals 100 by 2 equals 50. See here, n by 2, 50, you have to see in the CF. See, 2. We can't take 50 from 2. 6, we can't take 50 from 6. We can't take 50 from 24. We can't take 50 from 45. So, which will be that? From 78, you can take 50. That means here the median class is 35 to 40. Ready? See, we can't take 50 from 45. Till 45 we can't take. From 78 we can take 50. That means this will be the median class. This corresponding, and of course this will be F, and this preceding, this will be CF. Ready? And this will be F, and this last lower limit will be L. Ready? That means that 50 lies in the class, which class? 35 to 40. How you got it that? From CF, when you look, you can see from 78 we can take 50. So it goes to 35 to 40. So therefore the median class is 35 to 40. Ready? Therefore, L equals, what is the value of L? 35, and H we got it 5, and F is 33, and of course CF is 45. What you will do then? We know that median equals L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Ready? This equals, what is the value of L? Yes, 35 plus n by 2, we got it 50, isn't it? So 50 minus CF, 45, divided by, what is the value of F? Yeah, we got it, 33 into the value of H, 5. Ready? This equals 35 plus 50 minus 45, 5. 5 into this 5. 5 by 33 equals 35 plus 5 5s are 25 divided by 33 equals 35 plus. Now we have to divide it 25. 25 divided by 33. Ready? We can't do by 33, so we have to put 1 point and 0. Now we have to see 33 into how much you will get? 7s are 231. See, can you multiply this? Ready? So 231 will get by 33 into 7. So 7 33s are 231. We'll subtract 9. Here will be 4. 4 minus 3, 1. Now what you'll do? One more 0. Then how many times will do now? 33 5s are 33 into 5. How much you'll get? 165. Ready? That means 5 times 165. Minusing 10 minus 5 5. Then 8 minus 6 2. Now 250 means one more time 7. That means 231. Ready? So we got it now. 0 point. See, the last number is more than 5. So what you'll do? We'll cut it, but adding here 1. That means in place of 5, what you'll write? 6. That means 0.76 equals, we'll add it, 35.00, 0.76. 0 plus 6, 6, 0 plus 7, 7, 0 plus 5, 5 and 3. That means this equals 35.76. Ready? Okay, so wait for the next video to get the balance. So please make sure that you will be subscribing this channel. Okay.